Whoops! That's not my floor! What? Hey! Where are you dragging me? Oh! Bishop, let's go for a walk. Good boy, come. Hurry up, Mr. Percival. Time for a walk. Why are you so slow? Move it. Come on. Okay, I'll carry you. My baby. Mom, Dad, thank you for taking care of me. The money's so soft and warm. What? Was it just a dream? Parents, stop burying me. Sweetie, we just want to take care of you. Guess who? It's Daddy. You are right every time. It's not fun anymore. Honey, give me your hands. Mom? You're wrong. It's Dad with Mom's hands. Who is it? That's weird. There's no one. Again? Who is it? Are you invisible? That's it! A ghost? Come out! I hear someone ringing. This is so weird. It's my finger. Gotcha, sweetie. Christy's on a romantic date. Huh? But Dad is eavesdropping again. Hold on, I'll take care of it. A music break for you, Daddy. Shh, they're kissing. Louder! Not BTS. It's too loud. There's just one ticket left for this movie. It's okay. You can watch it with our eyes. Here you go. We'll stay here.
Stranger, did you get the idea? We don't like to see bad boys like you in town. Go get your mule.
Oh, nice special effects.
See, I understand.
Christy, keep the eyes straight. Whoa, is it 3D? I love this movie. And when Cinderella came to the zombie ball, she saw... I think Christy is asleep. No, Mom, go on. Fine. Chapter 3. Mommy, why won't you fall asleep? I have an idea. My hands are the best in the world. Great! How do I open the door now? Dad, help me out! I can't! My hands are playing Mortal Kombat! The polish got smudged again! Doing your nails neatly is a real challenge! Huh? Sweetie, why are you so stressed? Can't do your nails? Oh, no big deal! Here's a new finger with a ready manicure! Mom? Mom, Dad, let's play ping pong! There's a tiny problem. We don't have a ball. Dad, can we borrow your eyeball? I'd do anything for my daughter. Here you go, sweetie. Just don't hit it too hard. Mom, hit it. Got it. The ball is gone. Dad, give me the other eye. Oh, it seems like Zombie Dad got super dizzy. My eye! Found loved it! Bon appetit! So, is it good? Ew! Yeah! Thank you, sweetie! Got it! Here's your lunch. Fresh worms! It's mine! No, it's mine! What a treat!
Ew.
What's this? A zombie photo album! Here's my mom and dad.
Huh?
Oh, and there's a baby with them. Oh, something's off. There you go. We are all together in this pic. What a great family pic. And they R.I.P. happily ever after. What's that weird noise? Whoa! Mom is playing piano and dancing at the same time. Dad doesn't know a lot about music. He needs help.
Huh?
Mom, Dad, this is for you. A gift. Open it. What is it? Weird chunks. It's a jigsaw puzzle. It's so hard. Where do I put it?
Ew.
It's no good. Where does this go? I guess my parents can't really do jigsaw puzzles. Here's a new one. Whoa! This puzzle is much easier. Come on, honey. Let's try it together. Oh, it fits. It worked. We are so smart. Zombies are geniuses. Food. Food. Where is it? Nothing. Food? No. Food? No again. I wish I could have some yummy brains right now. Dad, are you hungry again? Want a nut? Oh, a mini brain. Ew, it's not a brain. It's poison. It's laundry day. Colored, white, whatever. I can't tell the colors anyway. Oh, my stuff is clean.
Huh?
What? There's dirt everywhere.
Huh?
Mom put in soil instead of laundry detergent again.
Huh?
So that's how zombies do laundry. Sweetie, it's bedtime. You have to sleep. 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 I'll put her to bed. Go to sleep, baby. She's here, Super Dad. Oh. Rock-a-bye, baby, in the treetop. She's not falling asleep. Your turn. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. I am so tired. My arms are falling off. I know. We can take a break while our arms are rocking the stroller. Did you like our zombie parents? Then comment below if you'd like to live with a zombie family for a while. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.